I remember back in 2021 when I was overthinking a lot about my career, about my diet, about my fitness and everything. And it was very frustrating for me to not getting any control over my thoughts. And I was dealing with massive thoughts that like there is no particular goal what I wanted to achieve, and I was getting thoughts randomly about anything. And I was dealing with very poor sleep, and I was not getting any particular healthy diet, and my fitness was shit. And I was working out at the home, just doing 100 push ups, not anything else. And in the pandemic, I know everyone was lonely, and there is no one to talk, and there is no one to be around. So I started adding good habits into my life, and one of them is journaling, which I'm gonna tell you in this video. So let me tell you about my story, how I started journaling and how it benefits me a lot. So as I told you that I was overthinking a lot about anything in life like career or maybe my diet or fitness or what I'm gonna do after this or and relationships about girls and everything. So I heard about this thing about writing one page a day from social media, and I was curious about writing one page, like how I'm gonna write one page about my day. Like I was only thinking about I have to write only one page about my day, what I have done in my day and what I have learned from anything, like what I have learned from this video or what I have learned from going outside, what I have learned from this person. So there are a lot of things going on in my day, and I have to write down in only one page, and that's very exciting for me. So I've written down like 4 5 sentences, and then my mind just started clearing out. My mind was very clear when I started just writing 3 4 sentences. So it really helps me in clearing out my mind and not overthinking a lot about stuff. So I have done many mistakes about writing down, and I'm gonna tell you exactly what mistakes I've done in journaling, and you should not do all of that mistakes to get the particular benefits from journaling. So if you are really curious about uh, getting the benefits of journaling and knowing how it can be done properly to get the particular benefits, watch this video till the end. So the number one mistake that I've done in journaling is not knowing what I have to write. Like it can be a particular goal that you have to write. Like for example, your mind is wondering right now that what you're gonna do in your career or your business. So write down all the insecurities, all the goals, all the particular desires that you have to achieve in your life about business, about career, and your mind will be clear a lot. like uh, like for example, your mind is wondering right now to what business I'm gonna start in next 1 year 2 year or something like that. So write down all the stuffs and the goals, how you're gonna achieve that goals, and what progress are you going to do and what task are you going to do. Just write down all these stuff in your paper, and your mind will be clear a lot. And what I was doing is I was like just writing down my thoughts, and not even my thoughts, I was writing down what I have learned from my life. Like I have eaten a cheat meal about like burger or pizza, or maybe I was going out, I was doing bad habits, or I have played video games or something else. Like I have done bad habits and what I have learned from this. Or maybe something I have done, I praise my mother or I praise my father or something like that, and what I've learned from this. Or maybe some video what I've learned from this, and write down like I have done 1 hour of task and what I have learned from this in, and I have to write down in only one sentence. That's how I was journaling. But I should not recommend you, I will not recommend you to do that. Maybe you can do the better things. It's not about you're not writing a book, you're just writing down your thoughts, you're writing down to clear out your mind. So you can do it in better way. So now I'm gonna tell you how to journal if you are a beginner. So if you are a beginner, just take a pen and paper or maybe a diary, just a yearly. I recommend you to take a yearly diary. You have seen that yearly diary about like this is 2024. So you can buy a diary about 2024, and there are some pages about maybe today is uh, today is 8th September, right? So the 8th September, you have to write down all of this stuff about 8th September, what you have done on the 8th September, and then the 9th September, and again. So you can take a diary, and it will help you to stay consistent and stay disciplined in it, because you don't have to miss any day. You can't miss any day and leave a blank page. You can't leave a blank page. So that's why it will help you to stay consistent in it and stay disciplined in writing and journaling. And I recommend you to not write down in the PC, because it will not help you at all. Just write down in a diary or maybe a pen on paper. Just or because you have not written down maybe some 5 years or something like that, you have not written down anything from pen, so it will help you to improve your writing a lot. And what you have to write is just observe the thoughts that you are getting right now in your brain. Just observe that what are the particular desires about. Like maybe the desire is about girls, you're not getting girls, or maybe you don't have any girlfriend, or maybe you are not making any money right now, or maybe you are wondering that what you're gonna do in your business or in your career, or maybe something else like in your diet or fitness. Maybe there is a particular desire that your thoughts are based on right now. Think about the threshold of that desire. Maybe you are getting more of the thoughts from your business because you're not making any money. So write down all of the stuffs that you're getting. Maybe your mind is wondering right now, like what business model is good for me, what business this is not working for me, or this is not working for me. What if my friend makes more money than me? What if she rejected me, or something like that. That's how you get thoughts. So write down all of these stuffs about a particular desire. The threshold of the desire, like for example, the threshold of the desire of business is more than anything else, like the diet, fitness, or maybe girls relationship. So write down all of these stuffs about business that you have to achieve right now, maybe your goal or something else. So write down all of these stuffs, and you'll see that after writing down 1 or 2 pages, you'll see that your mind will be very clear about the stuff of business. Your mind will be very clear about what you're gonna do in next 2 months, 3 months, and write down all of these stuffs, that how you're gonna achieve it, what are these tasks you're gonna perform for achieving it. Maybe your goal is to achieve $500 a month right now, or maybe next month, 3 months, after 3 months, 4 months. So write down all of these stuffs about that. So that's how you journal a lot to get the benefits from it. Then your mind will be very clear about achieving your goals. So that's how you journal. So that's what leads me to the next step of deep journaling. Deep journaling helps me a lot in clearing out my mind and making my thinking aligned. Like for example, right now you're thinking and your thoughts are messy. You get thoughts about anything, like maybe what are you gonna wear on this day, or what are you gonna eat in this day. For example, you're not getting any girls, or how are you gonna get more matches on Tinder, or maybe something else. You're getting unaligned, and the thoughts that are not based on any particular desire. Your thoughts are unaligned with various desires. Like there are so many desires of your thoughts. For example, you are in the shit right now, or maybe on your poop, you are doing poop, and you are getting thoughts about random girls, but you're gonna text to a random girls on Snapchat or Instagram, something else. And then after that, when you're done with the poop, then your mind wonders what I'm gonna wear about on this day, and you're thinking a lot about 4 minutes, 5 minutes. And then after that, your mind wonders what I'm gonna eat on this day. Your mind wonders after that what I'm gonna train after that. So you are getting thoughts about various desires. There is no particular purpose of your thoughts. So you have to align your thoughts. Like for example, you have to make money, right? So if you're not thinking a lot about business, someone gonna beat you, or someone gonna kill you in business, because you're not thinking, you're not living like that, like a businessman, like an entrepreneur. You have to think 24/7 about your business. You don't have to think about anything else. Like for example, the entrepreneurs who are killers, they have very less thoughts about anything else. They wear the same clothes every day. They eat the same shit every day, or they work out same time every day. They're doing the same things, and they have so much free time to think about their business. So deep journaling will help you to align your thinking. So for example, think about what's your purpose right now. Think about what are you gonna do, what is the most important thing for yourself, for you, in the next 1 year, or maybe 6 months. Maybe it's building a physique, maybe it's getting on $1,000 a month, maybe $10,000 a month, maybe something else. It can be anything. So think about that purpose right now and write down all of this stuff about that. Like for example, you have to get $1,000 a month right now, and you're not making any money, you're not making a single dollar right now. So write down all of this, that why are you not making any money right now. What skills do you have right now, and what skills you have to learn to be on a $1,000 a month, and how you're gonna do it. Like you have to learn sales, you have to do marketing, you have to make any product, or maybe something else. You have to learn all of these skills. So write down all of these stuffs in a particular way, and your mind will be clear out a lot. Manual thing to do, you are putting efforts on your brain, like putting efforts and writing down all of these stuffs in on a piece of paper, and you will see that after 1 or 2 weeks, like you are consistent in journaling and you are writing 1 page or 2 page every day, and you will see after 2 weeks, only 2 weeks, you will start getting automatic thoughts about business or maybe something else. What's your purpose, what you are writing down of. So you'll start getting automatic thoughts, and you'll start getting ideas about that, about your business, how you're gonna achieve that goal. So that's the power of journaling, that you're making an effort on journaling, and you're putting uh, more and more effort on journaling, and your mind that you have to think about this, you have to think about this, and you're writing down all of this stuff, and you'll get a peace of mind also, that I'm journaling and I have a particular purpose right now. And for a man, it is very important to get on a purpose. Like you don't have any purpose right now, you'll get depressed or something. Like you're not gonna be happy in life. For a man, it has to be a mission. Like only mission and the responsibilities will give a happiness to a man. Your thoughts are not aligned in a particular way, and you start writing all of these stuffs on a piece of paper, and after 1 or 2 weeks, your mind will clear out, and you'll start getting a particular and you'll start getting thoughts about a particular thing automatically. Like right now you are getting thoughts about anything, and maybe you have to think about something, like you are going outside, you have to think about the keys, like locking the door, or maybe something else, how I'm gonna do get on that place, like on a bike, or maybe by walking, or what I'm gonna buy from this store. That's a one thing. Like it will get you like 10 to 15 minutes to about thinking in a day. So what are you thinking about the rest of the day? You have to think about a particular purpose, right? So the more you think about that, and the more automatic thoughts you'll get about your business, the more closer you'll get, and you'll start get taking action about that particular thing. So that's the power of journaling. So the action step for you right now, get a pen and paper, or maybe a diary or pen, and start writing only 1 page a day about your purpose. What's your purpose right now? And start writing all of this stuff about that. Or maybe you can start from the beginner level, like start writing your thoughts. What thoughts are you getting right now, and what problems do you have right now, and start writing all of this stuff. Or if your mind wonders right now that you don't have any purpose, or you have to achieve a particular goal, then start writing down all of this stuff about that, and you will see that after 1 or 2 weeks your mind will be very clear, and you'll start taking action about that stuff. So that's all for today. See you guys in the next time.
Coming in, flex. I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with, 2 2 3 3, I'm on 10 again.